Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren with Darmac Builds and Brightway Insurance, coming to you on one of my job sites here on the Intercoastal. It's a complete gut. Doesn't look like much now, but we're moving quite along. And when we did the complete gut, we realized that this structural wall that's in the door jamb is not a structural wall. It's you see the 4-inch block here. You have mud, and then you have this veneer, which is being supported by this mud. So this is going to have to come out. And we're gonna have to make this like an 8-inch block with rebar in it. On this side here, as it came, we're gonna probably put a column there and so forth. Up here, we're gonna probably put another flitch beam, steel beam, like we have over here to support that concrete beam, because these columns are gonna come out. Those are just like the round columns, sister columns, whatever they call them. But we're gonna take those out, but we wanna continue to support this concrete beam at the top. So there was windows over here before we started doing on. We didn't know that these 3 columns were here. Apparently they support this beam. These columns, steel columns, is going to eventually come out. We're going to have a concrete, 8-inch concrete column here. Got one over there, but we're going to have to support this beam so we don't have any deflection, which is this concrete beam here. So got to go back to the drawing board, get with the architect, engineer, and have them come up with a design which is probably going to be similar to this over here and get it installed. As you can see, the structural slab is going in the way it's supposed to go in. Tomorrow we should be done with this. Got the rebar here, everything getting inspected. The pool is not going anywhere. We did some block today over here. Got that going. So today, Monday, was a good day. As you already know about the seawall, that's up. Here we form this out here. This is going to be another like little deck here. Got this going on. Rebar is ready to go in there. But this is the back of it for right now. So you guys been watching my videos, you're going to start seeing things take place, take flight, or whatever. So this is what we're doing. That's going to be the cabana over there. Now you can't even see the pool equipment because the pool equipment is hidden by the wall that's there, which is good. That's the whole idea. So keep watching. I'll take more videos tomorrow for you guys to see. This is the builder. Peace.